出了问题。
Increasing attention is being paid to healthy livestock farming and food safety. How can we find more scientific feed and farming technologies to fulfill the mission of promoting efficient and sustainable livestock production? On May 16, 2021, Lachance Group and the Key Laboratory of Physiology and Biochemistry of the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs, led by Professor Zhao Ruqian, launched a school enterprise collaboration to establish the Nanjing Agricultural University, Lachance Group Liver Health and Homeostasis Regulation Research Institute. This institute, characterized by its interdisciplinary research platform, introduces an innovative organizational model for scientific research. It unites the research capabilities of the Key Laboratory of Physiology and Biochemistry and the R&D Center of Lachance Group to address critical issues in liver health and homeostasis regulation, focusing primarily on poultry. The research spans cellular and molecular levels, integrating studies on organ health and systemic liver homeostasis to uncover underlying mechanisms. Based on these findings, the Institute develops feed nutrition regulation technologies that enhance animal productivity, strongly driving the progress of the livestock industry. Bile acids have been shown to suppress endotoxin-induced inflammatory responses and demonstrate anti-inflammatory mechanisms. They not only enhance growth performance in broilers on high-fat diets but also promote breast muscle growth and mitigate inflammation in the intestine and liver, thereby protecting organ health. Furthermore, bile acids alleviate heat stress effects in laying hens, improving both egg quality and laying performance. Over the past 3 years, the Institute has achieved significant results across numerous research projects. These advancements not only promote the application of bile acids and research on liver health but also provide essential models and guidance for practical poultry and livestock production through various industry academia research projects. In April 2024, Nanjing Agricultural University and Lachance Group officially signed a contract for the second phase of the Liver Health and Homeostasis Regulation Research Institute. Both parties will continue to collaborate, focusing on in-depth research into liver health and bile acid applications. Together, they aim to deliver nutritional regulation and livestock productivity solutions, contributing to the sustainable future of the livestock industry through enhanced theoretical and technological research in liver health.